Harvill Industries' state-of-the-art hose fabrication facility provides custom fabricated hose assemblies for sanitary and industrial applications. We custom fabricate a variety of stainless steel braided, PTFE, silicone, rubber, and PVC food-grade hoses for the dairy, food, beverage, cosmetics, biotech, and pharmaceutical industries. Our large inventory of hoses and fittings allows for quick fabrication and industry-leading turnaround times with same-day delivery capabilities. Harvill Industries provides in-house fabrication of custom sanitary connections, including tri-clamp, NPT threaded, eye-line, flange, and custom fabricated sanitary fittings. We provide unsurpassed quality control using our Fin Power crimpers and Techmaflex hydrostat testing technology. All products are tested to the highest standards to meet or exceed FDA, EHEDG, and 3A standards. Experience quick turnarounds for less downtime and improved operating efficiency with Harvill Industries custom fabricated hoses. Harvill Industries, the new industry standard.